So the key thing to recognize in this problem, in this integration, that this function that's given to us is the equation of the circle. And to recognize that, if I square this, move the x squared term to the other side, this is your x squared plus y squared equal to 3 squared. So this corresponds to the equation of the circle. Well, this piece here, that's y equal to, is just a half circle. But that's the equation of the circle with the center at the origin and radius is 3. So these endpoints are 3, 0, minus 3, 0. So they're really asking, this question is asking for the area under this curve or half circle, and the endpoints are the points on the x-axis. So this is really just half the area of the corresponding circle. Area is pi r square. So it's half of 9 pi or 9 pi over 2. And that's answer choice D.